In this video, we will go through the fundamentals of wiring HID's ACW2 XN. These are the fundamental components for wiring up a door. We have a lock, a door position sensor, request to exit button, and a reader. I have pre-wired these to be ready to wire into the ACW2 XN. Before we begin, please make sure that the power cable is unplugged. When wiring the power supply, connect the live wire to the live terminal, the neutral wire to the neutral terminal, and the earth to the earth terminal. Leave the power cable unplugged. I have the two wires coming from the request to exit button and two wires coming from the door sensor. Connect a wire from the request to exit button with a wire from the door position sensor. Any one will work, as they will be connected together to the common ground. Take the other wire from the door position sensor and connect it to the terminal block location labeled DPS. Take the other wire from the request to exit button and connect it to the terminal block location labeled REX. Now all you have to do is plug the terminal block into the input connector. I have used a standard Wigan cable with colors matching those of the pigtail wires on the reader. Connect the color wires into the terminal block in respect to the colors on the label. In this demo, I have selected a fail-safe bolt lock. Before we begin, here is a diagram to show how the relay and locks work. In a fail-safe mode, the door is unlocked when power is removed. On the relay connector, the positive wire from the lock is connected to the common terminal. A short jumper wire is connected to the normally closed terminal. On the power connector, the other end of the jumper wire is connected to the plus power terminal. The negative wire from the lock is connected to the minus power terminal. Now that this system is wired, do one final check on the wiring. If everything is okay, plug in the power cable. Now that we have got the unit powered up, let's try to access the system.